Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Ekacom A521 Full HD Webcam. If you've been searching for an affordable webcam that delivers clear video and audio for online meetings, streaming, or just staying connected with friends and family, this might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in and check it out. So, right out of the box, you'll notice the webcam has a clean and compact design. It comes with a sturdy clip mount that easily attaches to the top of a monitor or laptop, and you can also place it on a tripod if you prefer. It feels lightweight but well built, making it easy to move around whenever you need to. The highlight here is the full HD 1080p video quality at 30 frames per second. That means you'll get sharp and smooth video every time you go live or join a video call. The picture is crisp, the details are clear, and colors come out looking natural. Whether you're using it for Zoom meetings, Skype calls, or recording content, the video quality definitely feels like a step up from built-in laptop cameras. Another great feature is the autofocus lens. You don't have to worry about constantly adjusting your position. The camera automatically keeps your face sharp and in focus, even if you move around a little. It also has a fairly wide viewing angle, which is great if you want more of your background in the frame or if multiple people are sitting in front of the camera. Of course, a webcam isn't complete without audio, and the A521 comes with a built-in microphone. It's designed to reduce background noise and make your voice sound clear, so you don't need to rush out and buy a separate mic right away. For online classes, team meetings, or casual chats, it gets the job done nicely. And that's it for today's unboxing and quick review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.